Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to transfer your GoDaddy domain to Namecheap quickly and easily. Whether you are moving for lower renewal prices, better customer support, or free privacy protection, this tutorial will guide you through each step. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Go to your domain manager and select the domain you want to transfer to Namecheap. Make sure the domain is at least 60 days old and is not locked. Under Domain Settings, find the Unlock Domain option and turn it off. This will allow the domain to be transferred. Next, scroll down to the Authorization Code, or EPP code section. Click on Get Code, and GoDaddy will send it to your registered email address. Keep this code safe as you will need it during the Namecheap transfer process. Now, log into your Namecheap account. If you don't have one, create a free account. Go to the domain transfer page and enter the domain name you want to move from GoDaddy. Click Transfer, and then enter the EPP code you received earlier. At this point, Namecheap will verify your domain and show you the transfer fee. Most transfers come with a 1-year extension, so you get extra value when moving your domain. Complete the payment and approve the transfer request sent to your email. The domain transfer from GoDaddy to Namecheap usually takes between 5 to 7 days. Once complete, you will see your domain listed in your Namecheap dashboard, ready for DNS management, email setup, or website hosting. That's it in today's video for how to transfer your GoDaddy domain to Namecheap. If you found this step-by-step tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more guides on domain transfers, Namecheap tips, GoDaddy alternatives, and website hosting tutorials.